Class 9th Information Technology. Today is 26th June and I Jagdeep Sharma presenting today's topic Chapter 10 Introduction to Spreadsheet and Components of MS Excel Window. First, we will discuss features of MS Excel. What is Excel? Excel is a software which belongs to spreadsheet category of softwares. It is a part of MS Office software package. MS Excel provides us many features which can be used to manage our data. We can store data, we can create charts, we can do calculation here, and we can sort and filter our data. So first we will discuss features of MS Excel according to your book. So at page number 231, the features of MS Excel are listed: formulas and functions. Excel provides you formulas and functions that can be used to perform different type of scientific and mathematical calculations. For example, here you can see that sum, average, count, max, sign, standard deviation, these are the some name of some functions that you can use to perform calculations. Then formatting features. So like any other word processor like MS Word which we have done, Excel also provides us formatting features. Means we can format our text or data written in the sheet. Like you can change the font color, you can increase the font size, you can apply borders, you can insert shapes, etc. So this software also provides you formatting features. Means you can change the appearance of cell contents or the text or the numbers whatever you have written in this spreadsheet. Then auto updation. There is one very important feature in MS Excel that it can update your data automatically. Means suppose I am obtaining the sum of these two numbers with the help of auto sum. So if I change this first number, then my sum will automatically change. So Excel can auto update your data or the result which are obtained through formulas and functions. Then search and replace. So just like MS Word, we can perform search and replace options. We can perform search and replace operations. Autofill, it provides you a feature which is known as autofill. Means you need not to type the entries, it can be auto fill. This is the auto series which I have done through the autofill option. You can create charts here, different type of charts you can create in Excel to represent your data in a graphical way. These are the charts: column, line, pie, bar, etc. Then sorting and filtering. You can sort your data, means you can arrange your data in ascending or descending order, and you can also extract data from the entire worksheet. Now the next comes the components of MS Excel. So I am going to explain these components with the help of a picture. Although this is the entire Excel sheet and this is your ribbon which contains different tabs. ठीक है, ये आप वर्ड में भी सीख चुके हैं सेम, क्योंकि MS ऑफिस विंडोज के कंपोनेंट लगभग सिमिलर रहते हैं. So standard components are tab, then groups like clip art, font, alignment, these are the groups, and in the groups there are options. This is your quick access toolbar, and below in the bottom of sheet there is a status bar. So let's understand these components with the help of a picture. Okay, so these are the different components of MS Excel a window. This is your quick access toolbar. Okay, and below is the ribbon which contains groups and option. Topmost bar is known as title bar, like any other softwares. On the right side of this title bar and window, there are window buttons: minimize, maximize, and close. And here is the name box which shows us the name of current cell. See, इसमें देख रहे हैं आप, मैंने इसमें क्लिक किया. So what is in the name box? B10. It is the name of the current cell. Then comes the function or the formula bar. Then this is your work area or the worksheet area. Then these are the row headers 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D. These are the column headers. Here are the name of sheets which is known as page tab. Scroll buttons are here, and on the right side, bottom right side of this window, you can find here zoom in and zoom out option, which is used to zoom in your screen and zoom out your screen like this. Okay, and this vertical and horizontal scroll bars are found on every window. Okay, so you have to write in your notebook the features of MS Excel and the name of MS Excel window, the component names of MS Excel window. I will also provide you the PDF of this lecture. So do these two things in your notebook. Write features of MS Excel and components of MS Excel window. Okay, thank you.